Hello, friends and family. Welcome to another week of my life in Ireland. Ta ta ta. Sorry, I don't know what that weird sound was. Anyways, Tuesday I also found out that I'm getting kicked out of my office for the last 4 years. The university has basically decided to just shut down that building, probably because it hasn't been cleaned since March. So a little afraid of what's going on in that building, but so that's the thing. So next week I have to go in and clean out my desk, which, could be at least fun for you because I will be able to show you sort of where I used to work and we'll be able to wander around the city a little bit because we're not really supposed to be going into the city if we can avoid it. But I have been told that I have to come in and clean out my desk. So yeah, this week is basically just a million different small ways that I am trying to keep myself sane in Ireland, in this house, in the rain. Anyways, I love and miss you guys, and I will talk to you later. Bye. Hello, my lovelies. In case you were ever wondering what the workstation of a severe multitasker slash person with the attention span of a squirrel looks like, here's your chance. So this is my work desk at home since everything is done at home right now. This is my laptop for watching random Korean television. I consider this practicing my Korean language, sort of, kind of, maybe. My laptop for doing actual work. Right now I am working on marking student essays. Over here is a book that I've already read and I need to take notes on. Here is my stack of books that need to be read. And of course, my beverage to inspire me to stay here and keep doing the things.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Let's go, let's be free with me.
Wish me luck making it down this very wet, very leaf-covered hill. Ooh. Ugh, almost already died. Come on, guys, luck, or I won't make it.
Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche. We're on the run. This is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free.
Made it.
Did you ever stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready? Let me be honest, I don't know a single thing that I haven't done to make you notice me. Let me be real here. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. I don't know what I could say to convince you to hang around.
The puddles on the trail have officially beaten my poor trail runners. Oh, my feet are so wet. Okay guys, I have officially reached the level of wetness that I can successfully tolerate. So I'm gonna go back to the house. It was a nice little walk. I hope you enjoyed joining me, but I am wet, very wet. Hard to tell because it's a gray sweatshirt, so it's not as obvious, but I'm wet. So I'm going home.
This dumb talk about me starting to piss me off. You sit there sticking labels on people. I ain't a weapon or a demon king or a savior. I'm Reo Kumara. One day I'll be the most powerful exorcist ever. And you'll do